to unlock the secret to generating steady passive income. Imagine a life where your money works for you, effortlessly growing while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Join us as financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu reveals the best strategies for creating a dependable stream of passive income and setting your portfolio on the path to financial freedom.
So I think passive income is typically when your money works for you. And today, all of us, what we are doing is we are working for money. When money starts working for you, that's when you enter that zone of passive income. So suppose you're earning 10,000 rupees a month today as salary. Passive income is when you have got enough investments where that investment itself generates 10,000 rupees a month for you, also takes care of inflation. So if your salary goes up by 10% every year, your investment return will be, say today it's 10,000 rupees a month, next year it will be 11,000 rupees a month. So that also will grow by 10%. So that's what passive income is. And to generate passive income, it's very important to accumulate money. I would say spending, or you should save before you spend and not spend before you save. So if you save and save consistently, save over longer periods of time, there is a high chance that you would have a large enough corpus which can give you a good passive income, maybe before your retirement age. And because today lifespans are touching 90 years, it is very important for us to plan well so that you have 30 years of retired income. Because imagine that if you start working at 25 and earn till 60, you have got 35 years of earning period. But if you are going to, live till 90, you have to think that I'm not going to earn for 30 years, zero income for 30 years. So imagine the amount of corpus that you need to generate that to higher income, right? Because it's not that you would need the same amount of money that you were spending at 25. You would need the same amount of money that you're spending at 60. And if you're spending a lakh of rupees at 60, by the time you're 90, your inflation adjusted expense is going to be 4 lakhs. So if you're spending 12 lakhs a year at 60, you're spending 50 lakhs a year by the time you're 30. So you need a very high amount of passive income as you go more into your retired years. So it's very important that you plan well, you create a large enough corpus so that you have good amount of money to spend for to get that passive income.
Thanks for a detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book the free appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our free live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.